dripping.
Yeah. Active with it.
Dripping.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is beautiful. Peak. Fully. Cool man. Up top.
Some rock climbing, I think right here's where I'm going. I'm heading that way.
Cameras capture the experience.
Look at the ocean view. Woo! Look at that. On the way to another journey. You heard me? Yo, Jano. Years me no come them side here, you know, man. Yo. Yes, so I'm actually in Bull Bay now, right at the roundabout. But as you can see, the sign says Bull Bay, but it's actually turned the wrong way because it is meant for you to see it from that angle. So I'm heading that way. Right now I'm stopped right here at this nice lady shop right here called Outer East Side Wholesale and Retail. It's a nice lady, just buy a thing. So going to head on my way. Right there, so see it there, and my head go that way. I'm saying follow this road and it will lead us straight to Cane River. So I'm on my way here now. Yeah, my channel, I'm go off, man. It's a look of video I make, you know? Yeah, true. Yeah, man, respect my general. Yeah, so I'm in the great community of Bull Bay. You know? See it there? But me just stop for make a look of video and think I go and enjoy the view and the surrounding on the mountains. Look at this. This is beautiful, peaceful, may I tell you. Trust me. Here's where I'm at, and if you can look, that is the way to Portland. Yeah, so you see the new highway, there it is right there, and here I am, and I'm heading that way. Okay, yeah, so I'm just there and take a look a break. I don't know the thing set, so on my way you know. Yeah man, definitely stop enough time, you know. So next time you see me, I'm at the location I'm going. Yeah, it's a river there today, you know. Definitely. So we are at Cane River. You see the sign there, and there's another sign right there. Yes, this is the famous entrance. Well, they have two entrances. The entrance to come onto the property, and this is the second entrance. I heard that there is a lot of steps to go down there, but I guess that is not the issue. It's to come up back. Yeah, so it took me about 50 minutes to reach up here, but on Google Maps about 42 minutes, right? So they are going to chill now. Right now it's a nice environment and thing, you know. So just they are going to chill about to start the journey, you know. You heard me? You say you're strong, my G? Cool, no man, bless yourself for you're strong, you know, more life and prosperity, you hear that? Wealth and strength, you see it? fully cool man. Up top. Is it? Yeah. Jano, just take in the rocks, you know. Jaja. Yeah man. Watch out. Wow. Look on this. Let's check this out. Look at this. Look at the steps. Wow, nature carved this out perfectly, you know. Wow. Let's look at this. This is something to see. Yo. You have to actually be here to understand what I'm saying. It's amazing. For real. Yeah. Right now, my head go down to the river and see what I've won. Chacha. This is crazy. Yo. Oh, I guess that is where we're going. Another pool right here. Look at the vines. You can see the vines coming down or the roots. I don't know. Coming down on the rock. Whoa. You can hear the river right now. I'm out of breath. Just go down this, down the steps and up back just for video content. Oh man. Yeah, but I guess the best thing to get some workout, some exercise, don't it? Yeah, but look at this. Look at this view. Look at the rocks. Oh, so you see right here, I think I saw a video where they were doing some rock climbing. I think right here is where they do it. Yes, you can see. You see the different look ups on it right there and all the way up. Yeah. Yeah, I think the next time I'm come up here, I try see if I can book this rock climbing adventure here. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think the next time I come here is supposed to try out the rock climbing. So just let me know where I'm going to next time. You heard me? But they are record right now as we are here talk. Reach. I'm there do some recording from there and thing. The place nice, a big rock. Look at the rocks, man. Whoa. Oh, you're on the tube right now. You're missing out.
But thank God for cameras. I will capture the experience at a later date.
Yes, which is right, definitely. So, whoa, look at this. Right now I'm staring back at where I'm coming from and looking up at the rocks. Whoa, this is amazing. People, if you love rocks, if you love nature, if you love the water, come on man, you're missing out. You need to find here. Trust me, you need to be here. All of my people from overseas will ask me, they say they want to go places. This is one of it, trust me. I tell you, for real. But how's the boss lady? You don't know the deal, you know. I'm going to check them out after a little bit. So I'm going to hike down the mountain because I heard that it's a long way down. So let's see. So I haven't reached anywhere yet. So let's see what's going to happen. Stay tuned everyone. And stay tuned around me. Wow. Wow.
sound. Wow. We are completely surrounded by mountains. Look at this. Rocks all over. Beautiful rocks, smooth texture, everything. Like wow. So it seems like right there's where I'm going, and this is the journey. You can see the journey, so wow, I'm heading that way, all the way down. So going there and then down that side. Yeah. So see you when I get there. Eh? Alright. So you hear that water deep. You can dive off and bathing. Just a hear what go on, you know. So I'm gonna take a quick see what go on. I'm gonna look on the environment. Look at the environment. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at the water. Wow. Alright. Yeah. This is it. Nice. Where now the dive? Yeah. Now we go try it then. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Fully. Eh? Yeah man, camera sitting here. I going in still. Yeah man, fully. Right now, just see the water. The water look nice and refreshing. And as you can see me, I sweat like hog. So, right now I can't wait to go into the water. I find some cooking things and then head out. So me I go put it over there. So. That's all the water I know. Woo! Yeah, what? Yeah, enjoy yourself, man. Yeah. Water. Oh. Boss, just jump off a while ago. Yeah, jump, G. Yo! Woo. Oh, the water nice, man. Yeah, water. Woo. Water nice. The water is cool, you know. The water nice. We miss it. We miss it, my G. We miss it. No, I catch one day at all. Let's see a bust again. We're see a talent. Boom. Pull it, my G. Pull it. Eh? You may do what? Joe? Yeah. Yeah, guy. I'm not trying to win the speaker. Yeah. Alright. Pull it. next one again. Oh, God! Yo! Active machine! Yo, that one there bad. Yo, fully active. That's tough. That's tough. You turn right? When I press it back again, stop. Yeah. Active. Yeah, that is it, you know. The outside. Outside, everything. Jump from. Which part will you jump from? Right there, so. Yeah, try it. Alright. So, wanna go already? We're gonna have to jump out. No, brother. What we brother want? Nah, it's so much sun. Yo, me I say right there, say no me G. You see it? Right the summer right there, so. Oh, jump, let's say I jump. Jump from, let me try it, yeah. We'll never do what him do, because I'm outside, full sea. Go on, man. Now what there, sir? Say you're brave. Yeah! That is it. Active. Wait till the water break your fall. Water break your fall good. Go high me there. We go jump down there, say I know. God of mercy. Father. Yo! Where do I go? Run here. Why? It looks scary for you, so. It looks scary. Cha. Yo, right now, my nerves are on. That's how my nerves are on right now, shit. Eh? Yeah, we understand the team jump. Wanna be careful now, me G. Wanna be careful. Yo, man, put that here to them, you know. Yo, be careful, me G. Watch it there, General. Yo, what am I doing? Yo! Yo, him good, man. General, go for man. See him there? Go for him. Yo! No, sir. Watch ya. Yo! Jaja, fully. Bad on nobody now. Yo! Nobody like yards, brother. Trust me. No, sir. Yo, they deserve $1 million, brother, each. Yeah, man, trust me. Eh? Come here, so. Brother, I'm afraid to jump from here, so. Watch us go up there, so. Eh? No, man. Right, then I'm have to go. You have to master yourself first before we try nowhere. No, man, I can't. Hold on, I can't go. No, I have to man up.
Party glasses, party glasses.
Alright. Alright.
Me no want jump, me want swim. No swim, them a do the jumping. Right?
Cha-cha, God. Yo, what them man are response to the wall around here, so. Hold it, me see it. How you next to you there? Oh. Watch out now, them man are response to the rock, the water, everything. The tree, them, all the dirt, everything. How them man are response to it. How you next to you there? Gone, disappear. Yes, you ready? Watch your foot on the rock. Yeah, that is it. Yo, I want you to come like it one John me over here, man. Okay, them man have the boss here, you know. Me there 1% me there. Now man, 1% me I go out easy my 1%. They say me I say, you not get 100. Watch out. Now the man all walk underwater for him hand, you know, brother. Still father. Still father. Cha-cha. They say I must have stunt me, G. They say I must have stunt. They say stunt. Must get jump from this, man. Cha-cha. Eh. Afraid. Cha-cha, say it like that, man. You don't blame you. Yeah, that's it. Ready, set. Woo! Because big driver. If you get ready, you can rest. Eh? Oh, they say, when I say I'm a drop, I see a bug, somebody will drop too hard. Yeah, yeah, the vibe is nice, you know. We're outside. Every day. Every day. Master level. That is it. That is it. Yo, you're tough, man. I don't tell you a lie. I don't make the rock them look like piece of butter or something, my brother. You're really tough. Cha-cha, God. Trust me. Where they are them name? Where they are name? Come on. But the name cameras. Cameras. K-A-M-R-A-Z-E. So you can check out yourself. Remember it's enough cameras. Yeah, YouTube. K-A-M. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Fully.
If I learn, you learn. You have to jump your back 1 and 2 times. If I learn, you learn. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that side.
What is it? No, I'm not going under that at all. Gotta come like it will join you. Yeah. Eh? Yeah, get brave up. Let's get brave up, my boss. That is it. That is it. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Yeah, but look at that. I make a roll. Blessings and guidance for the journey, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright, my Jenna. Walk on, race, race, race. Walk on, who lose? Who lose? How go on, how go on? How you say? Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Yo. Yeah, man, can't see me, man. Hold on. Serious? Yeah. No, I want to do that. Yo! Jaja Gaga! Where are the jump? No jump headway, no jump footway. Headway, you jump. My do belly has like me, you know. My boss your belly. Hello? Yo! my God. Here, belly, I'm about to go right now, belly. Yo, I'm about to belly, you know. Oh, alright. The bar too good, the bar too good. Oh. Yo, that is it. Come on. Yo, I YouTube, you have a funny.
Calm down, calm down. Ready, set, go! Yeah? Not really.
Yo, you have to do something. You have to do something. man them pass you free. We try to run their water park. Go here. Less than 20 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. No, the boss just go all the way around. In less than 10 seconds. No, sure. Let's say, explain it again. Never catch on the camera. Yeah. Underwater. Oh, so if me swim with my head out of the water, I can touch your meat and you get it. When me under the water, yeah, alright. So, and that's going to go on, you know. Because I'm going to show some water sports, you know. Yeah, what is it, ready? Alright. Red card. Yeah, that is it. Cha-cha. But run out of breath. Cha-cha, you ever see it, man? Cha-cha. Cha-cha. No, friend, come on. You think that you would have gone in there? Three, what? Eh? Boss, win. No, man, you can't even slide down, man. Slide down. You should have turned on there too. Stand on there. Yeah. You can't come in there. Cha-cha. You can't come so close and a turn back. Stay too deep there. Hold on, no, man. You don't ever see I ready with you. This the one there, brother. Never catch it at all. Oh, never catch a one there at all. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, you want to kick it? Yeah. You want to do first, you bad still. You want to do first, you bad still. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, there, jump. That is it. jump. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. What? Say I go with you. Yeah, me see it, man. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is it. Fully active. Alright. Watch it there. Watch it. No one there, so. Woo! Whoa. Alright. Eh? Go up here now. Yeah, dive. Alright. Them when you're ready. Ready? Woo, sorry. Shoot me. Is you ready with you? Yeah, that is it. What you say there? That is it. Outside every day, man. Outside every day. Every day. Cha-cha. Yeah, man. That is it. Yes, you go there. Cha-cha. Huh? I go way up there. So now I go reach up, go around. Alright, when I carry the camera. Say what?
You see your light right now?
Hold the camera. I'm gonna go down there, Jazza.